What if I told you that building a six-figure online career is not a fantasy, it's a formula? There is no shortcut. You can't get rich quick. There is a strategy, there is a real tools, and there is a real execution. In this video, I will walk you through the exact step-by-step system that thousands of people are using to earn $100,000 per year online from home on their own terms. Whether you are a student, an employee, or already freelancing, this roadmap will help you build your dream career in the digital world. We live in the age of leverage. The internet has become the ultimate equalizer where skills beats background, consistency beats credentials. From 2020 to 2025, the digital job market has grown over 35% globally. Remote work, freelancing, coaching, e-commerce, digital agencies, AI services. It's never been more open. Payoneer reports 30% growth in freelance payments. Shopify merchants made over $100 billion in 2023. 60% of Gen Z prefer online income streams. Let me show you how to tap into this shift. Before you build your income, you need to choose your lane. Here are 5 high potential online career paths in 2025. Number 1 is freelancing. Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn. Offer your skills: writing, video editing, graphic design, coding, etc. Number 2, digital products. Online courses, ebooks, Notion templates. Package your knowledge once and sell forever. Number 3 is affiliate marketing or content creation. You can recommend tools or build a YouTube, Instagram, TikTok brand. Number 4 is e-commerce, drop shipping, print on demand. You can run an online store with Shopify or etc. Number 5 is remote work or online agencies. You can work for companies or start your own service business, social media management, bookkeeping, etc. So what you need to pick one and go all in for the next 6 to 12 months. Here is the truth. In order to make $100,000 plus online, you need one thing first, and that is a skill that solves a real business problem. Not hobbies, not dreams, only skills. There are top 10 skills in demand in 2025. Copywriting, SEO, video editing, email marketing, Facebook, YouTube ads, funnel building, web development, no code or full stack, financial consulting or bookkeeping, prompt engineering for AI, virtual assistants or project management. You need to pick one skill, master it, and then monetize it. You can learn via Coursera, YouTube, Udemy, Domestika, or ACCA courses for accounting. Now, let's assume that you have the required skill. The next step is to get discovered. No discovery means no income. Here is a checklist for you. You can make your profile on LinkedIn, optimized headline or banner and offers. You may have a portfolio website via Notion, Card, or WordPress. You may have one social media platform, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. You can have testimonials or results, real or self-created case studies. You are not just a freelancer, you are a brand, and people pay more to those who position themselves like professionals. Here is the game changer for you. You don't get paid for your skill. I repeat, remember that you don't get paid for your skill. You get paid for using it to solve problems for others. That means that learning outreach, marketing, and positioning is important. Now, the multi-billion dollar question arises that how you can get your clients. There are different ways which you can try to get clients. Number one, pitch daily on Upwork or LinkedIn. Number two, build authority by posting short insights or content on social media. Number three is you can join relevant Facebook or Reddit groups. Number four is you can ask for referrals from existing clients if you have. And number five is you can use tools like Sponsor.ai, Loom, or ChatGPT to personalize outreach. You need to pitch 5 to 10 times every day. The numbers always work. Volume brings momentum. Once you are making $2,000 to $3,000 per month consistently, the next step is to scale. But how you can scale? You can use tools like ClickUp, Notion, Google Calendar to automate tasks. You can use Payoneer or Wise to manage international payments. You can create retainer packages or digital products such as courses, coaching, etc. You should raise your prices every 3 to 6 months. You can hire help, for example, virtual assistants, editor, designer. Remember that six figures online means $8,333 per month. If you charge $1,000 per month per client, you only need 8 clients to earn six figures per annum. Now let's jump to the mistakes which you need to avoid on the journey of earning your first six figures. Most people quit too early, others never commit fully. Here are some traps to watch for. Jumping between niches every 2 weeks. Undervaluing your time. Consuming too much content, taking too little action. Not reinvesting in tools and learning. Not believing you are too late to start. Every successful online entrepreneur once started at zero. They just kept showing up. Building a six-figure online career is not about being lucky. It's about choosing the right path. It's about mastering one skill. It's about showing up daily. It's about positioning yourself like a business. If you follow these steps, not only will you make money, you will build freedom, impact, and confidence. I would like you to comment below. I am building my six-figure path. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video where we take it to the next level.